everyone, this is Crystal, and today I have something a little different for you. I have another unboxing video, and I promise that this channel is not going to become all unboxings all the time, but I thought you might want to see these two things that I recently purchased. So the first is an order I placed from Peachy. It's a discount scrapbooking supplier, I guess. They do planner and scrapbooking supplies, and they offer one special per day for each one. So one special purchase for scrapbookers or for crafting, and one special purchase for planning. And there's a lot of crossover between those two categories, but they have essentially two per day, and they're only good for about 24 hours, and then the deal is over and they have something else to offer. So I've placed a few orders from them, and I'm going to slide this other one aside. And I've been really happy with everything I've gotten. It's typically, you know, brand name stuff that I already knew. It's just at some kind of discounted price. But this one was an October afternoon set that I was very excited about because I miss October afternoon so much, and I don't remember the name of this collection. It was a summer collection, but this was exclusive to Peachy, and it's the same products, just slightly different. So these are the same papers that were in the original October afternoon collection. Sorry if I'm in the shot a little bit there, but they are a different size. So you can see they are 8.5 by 11 instead of 12 by 12, and you get two of each of these. So I will just show you what they are. It's very summery. It has that October afternoon vintage sort of vibe to it, and I'm just in love with everything October afternoon ever did, and I'm so sad that they aren't doing anything anymore, which is why I was so excited to find this and knew that I had to grab it. And it wasn't very expensive. I think it was around $10 for this set. So you get all of these papers, and then this set of puffy stickers, and then these, which are like little cards and die cuts. I'll just pull these out to show you. Oh, there's some little ones in there. So there's cards and die cut bits, all in the same collection, all in the same summery theme. It's very cute stuff. So I think this will be perfect to add to my stash for some summer documenting this year. And since it's otherwise no longer available, and now that the sale is over with Peachy, you can't actually get it either, but they do bring them back. So keep an eye out. If you don't know Peachy, go find it online and subscribe to their newsletter so that you get notified, or follow them on Instagram. They always post their daily deals on Instagram, and they do usually bring things back after a few weeks if they still have, them in stock. So that is the Peachy order. I am going to carefully pick this up and set it aside and share the other fun thing that I got this week. So Pinkfresh Studios also had a special deal recently. They were warehouse boxes where I think they were $32, and shipping was around just over $5, so under $40, and you got $125 worth of supplies. So here is what is in my box. I did already open this up and look at it a little bit, but everything is pretty much the way it was when I got it. So I'm going to slide it to the side and pull things out. So there are these little tassel bows from the mix number 2. These are fairly new, I think, and I've never had these. I've never tried them, but they will be fun to add to some layouts. There are 2 tapes. This washi tape that is, I don't know, I think it's Indigo. Is it Indigo Hills? Is that the name of the collection? I think so. And it has the days of the week and kind of a watercolory, splattery background. It's very beautiful. And then this is kind of a twill tape, like a fabric tape. It has this plastic on the outside, so it's kind of hard to see. there. Oh, no, it's not. It's glitter. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Look at that. It is glitter with a twill background. I guess you could use that, but it would be hard to adhere that probably. But yeah, some glitter tape. That's very pretty. Set that aside. And then these wood button stickers from Boys Fort. There is one stamp set in here, and it's this one, Party Animal. And it's, I'm not sure. It's not really my style. I don't use a lot of character stamps. I don't do like coloring them in with Copic markers or anything like that. But some of these are fun, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this or if I'll pass it along, but it's definitely a fun stamp. Okay, then there were these rubber chips from Dream On. You can see there's all sorts of little pieces in there. There was this little set of enamel dots in silver and gold glitter. There was this set of chipboard, which I actually already have from Live More, but it's beautiful, and I may use it again or I may pass it on. I'm not sure yet. This I already had as well. If you watched my last unboxing video, then you'll see that I got this in the Citrus Twist Kits grab box, or the grab bag from National Scrapbooking Day. So this is the second one of these that I have. And then there were these foiled wood grain stickers from December Days. I don't know if you can see the foil on them, but they're gorgeous. And then these paper clips from Live More as well. And some more wood veneer, wood stickers from Boys Fort, which are very cute. There's one set of chipboard alphas from December Days, and those are red with gold foil. I don't know if you can see that. And then another set of alphas, these mini alphas from Boys Fort, and they are in 3 different colors, so that's very nice. And they're a great size. And those are just like cardstock. And then this also from Boys Fort, these fabric pennants. And you can't see all of them, but looks like there's lots of different little phrases in there. And then the grab bag, or the warehouse box, also came with 2 exclusive items that they were just adding to these boxes. So this set of puffy stickers, which are very cute, and I love the colors. And then this set of coordinating ephemera die cuts, and that does have a key, so I will let you look at those. I think those birds are adorable. There's lots of good stuff in this, so I'm excited to use that. And then I got some papers, so I'm going to pull these out. Maybe it's a rather tight fit here. Let's see if I can get them. There. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and show you these papers. Move everything over. Okay, so they're all kind of mixed in here. They're from several different collections. So I'm just going to go through, this is exactly how they came, and I'll show them to you as they come up. So there's this one, Under the Tree from Oh Joy, and there's the back side. Move this over just a little bit more. There. And then this is Jingle Bells from Oh Joy. And that is just beautiful. This is Advent Love from Oh Joy. I love that neutral kind of snow print. And then Joyful Christmas, also from Oh Joy. Oops, there. That's the B side of that. And then Merry Christmas from Oh Joy. I love this. That's really, really cute. And Winter Wonderland from Oh Joy. I love that too. And then this from Dream On, and I don't have any 12 by 12 papers from Dream On. I only have the 6 by 6 pad. So this was very exciting. I loved the collection. I just never happened to pick up any of the 12 by 12. So this is Daydream. Love that too. And Delight, also from Dream On. I love this geometric pattern. And then from Boys Fort, this is Wowzers. and You Rule, also from Boys Fort. And then this one from Escape the Ordinary. This is Dare. And this is Search, also from Escape the Ordinary. This is a really fun cut apart sheet. Or you could use this, which is also really cool. And then another one from Oh Joy. This is Merry and Bright. Oops. And 'Tis the Season. Love that. That's like a sweater, a knit kind of pattern. Back to one from Dream On. This is Marvel. And this one, oops, this is actually the front. This is Trance. I love both sides of this one. That's going to be really hard to choose which one to use because that is just gorgeous. And then this from Live More, it's Focus. And the B side. And Goals. And Rise, also from Live More. Love those little cut aparts. And then from Indigo Hills, oh, I think that's, yeah, here. This is Hillside, and that is the B side. And then Blue Valley, also from Indigo Hills. And I love this collection because of the kind of built-in mixed media that's on these papers. You wouldn't have to do much to just add your photos and some embellishments, and then, I mean, your layout would be basically done already. This is Palisades from Indigo Hills. And then another one from Dream On. This is Fancy. And another one from Boys Fort. This is Bold. And again, Boys Fort. This is Game On. I love that. So simple, but just beautiful. This is Wisdom from Boys Fort. And High Five. And those are adorable. I'll definitely use those. This is Thumbs Up from Boys Fort. I love a black and white print as well. From Live More, this is Honest. And another one from Indigo Hills. Again, some gorgeous kind of mixed media look to it. And that's actually the B side. This is the A side, and it's Knoll. This is Dover from Indigo Hills. More of that mixed media look. And that is gorgeous too. This is Moorland from Indigo Hills. There's the B side. And then there were 3 vellum papers. So this one, this gorgeous gold foil from Indigo Hills. It's very beautiful. This kind of green, and it looks like maybe copper foil from Live More. And then this adorable copper foil vellum from Dream On. So all of that, there's so much here. All of this for under $40. I was very happy with what I got, very happy with the variety, and that I was able to pick up some things that I hadn't purchased. I hadn't purchased a lot of Pinkfresh because I wasn't doing much purchasing until recently. So very excited to have this, very excited to work with it, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.